So hello everyone. So in this video I will discuss one more previous year gate question which is based on the concept of liquidity index and activity. So first let us read the question carefully and note down the given data and identify the formula, which formula we have to use. So let us read the question carefully. The laboratory test on a soil sample yields the following results. So what he has given, natural moisture content is equal to 18%. Let us suppose natural water content is W is equal to 18%. And liquid limit is equal to W suffix L, that will be equal to 60%. And plastic limit W suffix P is equal to 25%. And also percentage of clay sized fraction, is equal to 25%. Clay sized fraction means less than 2 micron size. So what he has asked us to calculate, we have to calculate liquidity index and activity as per the expression proposed by Skempton of the soil. Okay, first liquidity index, we know the formula. I suffix L is equal to natural water content minus plastic limit divided by WL minus WP, that will be nothing but the plasticity index. Next one, activity number A suffix C is equal to, it is a function of IP and percentage of clay particles or clay sized fraction which is less than 2 micron. Okay, so every data we have, we just have to substitute. So natural moisture content is equal to how much? 18 minus plastic limit is equal to 25 divided by liquid limit is 60 minus plastic limit is 25. So 18 minus 25 divided by 60 minus 25. So liquidity index is equal to minus 0.2. Next, plasticity index, IP means WL minus WP. So 60 minus 25, that will be 35. This will be nothing but WL minus WP divided by percentage of clay fraction, how much he has given? 25 is equal to 60 minus 25, 35 divided by percentage of clay fraction is 25. So it is coming around 1.4. So liquid limit is minus 0.2, activity number or activity is equal to 1.4. So option 1 is correct. This has appeared in GATE 2017 and it is given for 2 marks. Very simple question. He has given all the data, natural moisture content, liquid limit, plastic limit, and if you know the formula, we can easily tackle this type of problems. So I hope the video is clear for you. If you feel the content is useful, please like my channel and subscribe as well. Thank you.